looking at the venue, and it's coming together quite nicely. Your thoughts on how preparations are going so far?
I think it's going well. There's certainly a lot more to be done, but thankfully we're ahead of schedule. So with the lights here, we're able to work obviously through the night. So we will be ready. I'm definitely happy with where we are so far at the venue.
And from a logistics standpoint, I mean, how are everything else fitting into place?
I'll definitely say some of are busy next couple of days, but as I say, everything is well on target to execute according to plan. Teams have come in, they practiced at the facility this morning, they'll be practicing obviously throughout the week, morning and evening. We'll have a meet and greet and the official draw on Friday, so everything is in place. We're waiting to welcome the first of the three international officials coming this afternoon. We take a look through the venue and obviously if there's any minor modifications, he wants to have plenty of time to get them after.
Okay, and finally, your thoughts on the mood in the camp?
The camp is great. Everybody is here. I mean, Blaze didn't practice today. I think he got a deserved day off, but he did come by this morning, was with the guys, watched the session. I think Noel, our captain, pushed them pretty hard today, Chris Paul as well. But the camp is great, mood is good. And definitely we have one goal come February 3 and 4, which is to come out with the future.